Think polo is just for royalty and Ralph Lauren catalogs? Well, not in Northern Virginia. From social Saturdays under the stars to leagues for first-time riders, polo here is alive, accessible, and seriously exciting. Let's saddle up and show you where it all happens. Hey there, I'm Sophia Alonso-Wolf with AV Architects and Builders, your trusted design build team based right here in Northern Virginia. And when we're not creating custom homes for our clients, we love exploring all the local experiences that make this area one of a kind. And today's spotlight, polo. That's right, Northern Virginia is home to some amazing polo clubs. Whether you're an experienced player or just curious about the scene, we've rounded up some of the top clubs where you can ride, watch, or simply soak in the atmosphere. Number 1, Great Meadow Polo Club in the Plains, Virginia. If you're looking for polo with a side of sunset and community fun, Twilight Polo at Great Meadow is the place to be. Located in the Plains, this club turns Saturday nights into festive, family-friendly events. You don't need to know the rules, just bring a picnic, grab a seat, and enjoy the action. For players, Great Meadow offers leagues and lessons, making it one of the most welcoming and active polo communities around. Number 2, Banbury Cross Polo Club in Middleburg, Virginia. Just up the road in Middleburg, Banbury Cross offers a more refined polo experience, and it's set against the stunning backdrop of Virginia horse country. Tailgating here is an art form. Think champagne, hats, and that classic Southern charm. With its competitive summer series and upscale vibes, Banbury Cross is a must-see for spectators and serious players alike. Number 3, Virginia Polo Center in Charlottesville, Virginia. Okay. Technically, this one's outside of Northern Virginia, but we would be remiss not to mention it. The Virginia Polo Center is the heart of the sport in this state, offering year-round training, leagues, and youth programs. If you're thinking of going from spectator to player, this is the place to start learning from the pros. They host regional events and draw crowds from all over, including Northern Virginia. And tell me in the comments, have you ever been to a polo match? Or would you try it? Polo, beyond the game. Polo in Northern Virginia isn't just about horses and goals, it's about community. Many clubs offer lessons, clinics, and events for people of all ages and experience levels. And even if you never plan to swing a mallet, tailgating at a match is a local tradition that you don't want to miss. Grab some friends, pack a cooler, and enjoy a weekend out in the countryside. From the rolling hills of the Plains to the peaceful serenity of Middleburg, Northern Virginia's polo scene is something special. It's a blend of athleticism, tradition, and community, set against some of the most beautiful landscapes in the region. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a lifelong rider to be part of it. Looking for a home that puts you closer to all of this? Schedule a discovery call with AV Architects and Builders, and let's talk about designing a custom home that fits your lifestyle, horses, hobbies, and all. And don't forget to check out our Learning Center for more guides to living, working, and playing in Northern Virginia. Like this video, subscribe for more insider insights, and see you in the next video.